Abstraction of classes and graphical interface. Abstract classes. Abstract classes are those that by themselves cannot be identified with something concrete. They do not exist as such in the real world, but they do have certain characteristics that are common in other classes that can be created from them. So that you understand it better, an example of an abstract class will be one called vehicle. They all perform similar action, starting, accelerating, braking, etc. But nevertheless, there are many different types of vehicles that behave in a totally different way. The process of starting them is not carried out following the same steps. Some have to take off and fly like airplanes. Others submerge to move under the water like submarines. Each of them needs to be braked in a different way. That is, in the real world, there is no vehicle object as such, but rather there are different types of vehicles. But although they have common characteristics and perform the same action, they do so in a very different way. Each of them may also perform other specific ones. Thus, since an abstract class does not represent something concrete, it cannot be instated either. But it is possible to create other class based on this definition. And what is a graphical user interface? The days when only scientists and software developers could use computers are long gone. Nowadays, almost everyone can operate a PC or tablet, often even without requiring prior specializing knowledge. However, getting to this was not a bed of roses. To make this possible, graphical user interface, a type of user interface, had to be developed. The first concept of graphical user interface were developed in the 70s at the Xerox company. Its main purpose was to allow computers to be operated with the mouse and keyboard instead of just with the text format instruction. The Xerox Alto was the first PC with a graphical interface. Apple followed in the 80s with the Macintosh. With the emergence of smartphones and tablets, the principle of the graphical interface has gone through great change. Nowadays, there are screens that can be used with the simple gestures and finger movements.